Transformo, Transformo, the detective robot so brave, with his assistant by his side. He makes the market a safer place. In the market there was a thief, stealing money, causing grief. But Transformo came to town with his assistant, wearing a frown. Transformo transformed so sleek into a detective unique. He caught the thief with a clever plan. With his assistant, they took a stand. The vendors cheered, hooray, hooray. Thank you, Transformo, you saved the day.